Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to use Renderforest to create a professional looking intro for your YouTube channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. First, you'll need to go to renderforest.com. Click on the Video Maker tab and select Intro from the list of available options. Once you're on the intro page, you'll be able to browse through all the different intro templates. Once you've found the template you like, click on it to open up the customization page. On this page, you'll be able to customize your intro by adding your own text, images, and logos. You can also adjust the color scheme, music, and animations to fit your channel's style. Once you're done customizing your intro, click the Generate Video button to generate the final video. And that's it. You've now created a professional-looking intro for your YouTube channel using Renderforest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.